I saw Chainsaw Man and I really liked the show. I actually liked the show so much that I wanted to recreate my favorite character. Oh, and I also got a new graphic tablet so that I can give you now high quality concept drawings. And this is what we are going to do right now. So what you can see here on the concept board is I'm drawing here Pochta. This is obviously Pochta. And we need some kind of foundation that we will work with. And yeah, in this case I ordered a plush animal, but we will modify it on the way. But I noticed a really big problem, because I wanted to do this. And we have this. So for real, we have to do something about this goddamn fabric chainsaw. I mean, what if we just take a real chainsaw and then replace the old chainsaw with a real one and everyone will be happy? But did you know that some people were actually calling me insane for this project? I mean, come on. I'm not insane. Well, whatever, let's just get the stuff that we need for Pochta. Oh, and please, if you leave a room, don't forget to turn off your lights. Nothing feels better to turn off your light with a portable chainsaw. Something that is important right now is that I have to find a way how to remove the fabric chainsaw carefully, because we don't want to damage the rest of Pochta. What an absolute genius idea! No, jokes aside, if you ever want to remove a fabric chainsaw, don't use a real chainsaw for this. This nearly killed my whole project. Dude, I didn't realize how big this hole actually is. This hole was way too big for this handle, so I had to sew it. But I have never sewn in my entire life before. But hey, come on, let's give it a shot. Not gonna lie, but I'm really satisfied with this result. The chainsaw is really well attached to Pochta and is not falling out. But after holding Pochta with a chainsaw that is spinning with about 10,000 revolutions per minute, dude, not gonna lie, I got kinda scared. And I was thinking to myself, was this project actually a good idea? Whatever, let's cut something. Works like a charm. But the real problem was actually that I tried it out in my dormitory room. And yeah, but please don't worry, I also have a solution for this, because I modified it in a way that you can basically use Pochta everywhere. You just need a battery pack and then you are ready to go. I mean, you know how it is, like you create a prototype in a project and then the project comes to an end, and at the same time you don't really need the prototype anymore, which means that we don't really need Poczta anymore. I was so sad, seeing Poczta laying around in the corner, and my expression changed from a really happy expression to a Connor getting a massage in Japan expression. I was feeling so bad. If I could only somehow share the joy of spinning Poczta's chainsaw with you. And then I remembered that I already have a follower party. Isn't it possible to hook it up to my follower party? And now people that follow not only get a follower party, but also a Poczta chainsaw spin. Fuck yeah! And now Poczta is sitting happily in front of my whiteboard. I really want your opinion on something right now, because I have an idea, but I don't know if this idea is a good idea or a bad idea. But I wanted to use YouTube as my main channel. I wanted to create videos about prototypes on my main channel. And then when I'm done with those videos, I wanted to move those prototypes into my stream so that you can control those prototypes in my streams. I never really saw this kind of concept anywhere else. Maybe there's a reason why this concept does not exist. Maybe people don't like it, but I have no idea. I thought it would be pretty cool. So yeah, please let me know what you think about this one, man and woman.